You don't know the half of it. Real conversation example. Oh, hey, how's it going, Sarah? It's okay. I'm feeling a little overwhelmed. Oh no, really? You don't know the half of it. Another real conversation example. Wasn't Tim living with Anna and James? He was, but then he moved out about a month ago. Really? I thought their lease wasn't up for another 4 months. Yeah, exactly. Apparently some stuff went down and now none of them are talking to each other. Wow, I didn't expect that. Yeah, and you don't even know the half of it.